Love the flowers. Leah, thank you so much. I know, we're like, we can't wait. So now we're like, okay, we do 3. So maybe Monday we do 1, 2, 4. We're gonna do all different designs. So then you get all ideas of how you can achieve fun nails, beautiful nails with this look. All right. Let me see if I can get some red here. I might have some red, the big one right there. I might need some red. Smaller crystal maybe.
You want ruby red?
Yeah, like a scarlet red. Okay, so I have some cute little leaves right there. Let's see what's going on. You can see that leaf as well. And then I can't wait because this is gonna be so much fun. Makes your life is so much easier and the client's gonna be so thrilled. So it doesn't matter, you can choose to have your crystal on this side, on the left or the right. So you can do however you would like. You can't tilt it that way. It stays super cool and flat on there. There you go. Maybe I should move it right there.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
You want to spin the crystal out?
Out this way? This one right there.
Okay.
Either way, you can go on that side or you can go this side. You ask your clients which one they want, like what direction they would like.
Well, you guys can just tilt until you get like it.
Yeah, you just tilt until whenever, like, you're happy with this. It doesn't. You can do that. Hold on. Sorry. Tilt until I like it. Okay, good. And then the little ones right there. Oh, where am I got little ones? And I love this leaf. We special made it's like ombre for you with shimmery here. So it saves you even every like single time. So I'm gonna teal mine like that. However you would like. Oh, I like that a lot. You want more in here. I didn't want to cover all the fusion ink, but I think I did. You can leave it alone. You don't need to do it. I just want some leaf on it to see. Oh, here's my other leaf. I don't need those many. I just want a couple. Have you ever like, or do you like even have a client who are asking so much about 3D? Oh my God, I want a 3D. I do. All the time with clients seeing like want it. And I'm putting underneath so then it doesn't matter what angles the clients want to see it. It still looks really nice. They stay nice and flat around your nails, so you don't need to do a whole lot of work for that. I just put it so then that way it looks fancy whenever the client turn their fingers to show them off. I'm gonna show you after we cure it so then you can see a little bit better. Because I didn't want to tilt it now because the flowers still stay on the nails and it's still not cured yet. You might be able to see it after I show it, or else I might like the rose is heavy and it's not like heavy, but because it's not cured yet. Oh, so cute. One more smaller one. I think I'm good. They're super cute and a lot is going on already. So adorable. Do you know what? Even though I covers a lot of my fusionings, but it's still a nice background that I would really adore it. All right, so I am going ahead and key these cute babies for 60 seconds.